They're beginning to bubble up a little bit out there.
That's right. Let's go over to Aaron Moran first to see what things are doing.
Yeah,
Aaron.
so we are talking about some severe thunderstorms that are ongoing across parts of North and Central Texas. If we can take a look at Lynx 1, guys, we're going to give you a wide view of the radar and give you an idea of what we're dealing with as far as these strong to severe thunderstorms are right now. So most of North Texas, the Metroplex, just dealing with some light showers, but you look down to the south and to the west, and that's where we have kind of a line of severe thunderstorms moving through parts of Hamilton County into Bosque County. You can see Coryell County as well. These are severe thunderstorm warnings. So we've got Bosque County included in Bosque County, Hamilton County, and Erath County included in this severe thunderstorm warning that goes through 5:15. So we've got about 30 minutes to go. This storm is generally moving to the northeast around 30 miles an hour. So Iredell, we're looking at 453 for the possibility not only of some damaging wind gusts, but of some quarter-size hail in your area as well. Glen Rose at 5:03, Walnut Springs at 5:08, Meridian at 5:13, and then Georges Creek at 5:19 this evening. Up to the north, we do have another severe thunderstorm warning for portions of Erath County. We've also got a little bit of Palo Pinto County included in this as well. This is going through 5:15 this afternoon as well. And again, these storms all generally moving to the northeast around 30 miles an hour. So we track it again, and we're looking at Hill City at 5 o'clock this afternoon, Oak Trail Shores at 5:08. We've got Granbury at 5:11, Fairview at 5:13. So we do have some of our storm chasers generally in this area. We also have some reporters headed out in this direction as well, and we're going to have continuing coverage of these strong to severe storms during CBS 11 News at 5 o'clock this evening as well. But these storms just kind of getting started, tracking a little bit closer to the Metroplex. If we head on over to Max 1, guys, to take a look at what we've got. So Futurecast showing that these storms are going to be moving closer to the Metroplex here as we go through the next several hours. Looks like the clicker isn't working for me, but we'll keep an eye on things as we continue through the next few hours, anticipating these the strongest storms kind of moving through parts of Hill County and Johnson County, then into Ellis County and Navarro County. So here's 6 o'clock, and we've got these storms kind of moving through Denton County, Dallas and Tarrant counties as well. Threat continues to push east as we get past 7 o'clock this evening, and then that threat by 8 o'clock kind of pushing into East Texas. So that looks to be more of a damaging wind threat, but we have all modes of severe weather possible, including large hail, damaging winds, even a few tornadoes possible. There's a severe thunderstorm watch and a tornado watch ongoing for parts of North Texas through this evening. So we'll be watching for all of these threats, I think, especially for the Metroplex in that 5 to 8 p.m. time frame, Scott.
Yeah, and that's what we called a First Alert Weather Day for today. And you can see as you look at what's happening right now at DFW, we have cloudy skies in place, but we talk a lot about the measure of the moisture in the atmosphere because you need a lot of different ingredients to get severe weather. One ingredient is the moisture. So we have that dew point at 67, which means there's a lot of moisture in place. We have the winds at the surface out of the south-southeast at 18, gusting up to near 29 miles per hour. We also need that lift. We have the dry line out to the west. So all of those in combination giving us the ingredients for the potential of severe storms, as Aaron was just showing you. The visible satellite also shows that we do have some breaks in the cloud cover across the Metroplex in the low 80s to the mid 70s in McKinney, 89 in Breckenridge, where we've seen some rain. We have rain-cooled air down in Comanche. It's 75 in Hamilton right now with some of that rain ongoing, 76 in Terrell. So planned for tonight, as we've been mentioning, stay weather aware. Aaron gave you that timing. These southerly winds still allowing that moisture to be in place. We're near about 15 to 20 miles per hour, gusting up even higher than that, gusting up to near 30 in Denton just recently. So planned for tonight to stay weather aware. I'm not sure why it's showing snow there. It's actually possibly some storms with some hail popping up. We got gremlins in our computers, all right? They said we're done with these First Alert Weather Days, but I can tell you we have more storms on the way, possibly, as we talked about the next few hours. Then in the early morning hours into the mid 80s. Then I just advanced this on to show you it's going to be calm Thursday and then into Friday. Friday hot for us this weekend for for Easter weekend. Not bad, low 80s. And then next Monday and Tuesday, nice and quiet in the mid 70s. I might take a day off and just chill.
There you go.
I wouldn't blame you.
Just earned it.
Well, it was a night that Nashville and country music fans won't soon forget.
Coming up soon.